Here I have DOOGEE S60, and today I'm going to show you how to perform master reset operation on this device, how to reset your device through the factory mode. So first of all, you have to turn your device off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys power key and volume down at the same time for a few seconds. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume down. After that, you will enter this kind of menu where everything is in Chinese, and here you have to use volume down key to navigate to the this option, Chinese symbols EMMT, and then select it with power key, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.